The third question that we have is a very simple question, which you can solve very easily if you have your concepts of electrolysis very clear. We've been given that current is passed through two cells in series for 5 hours. In the first cell we had a gold solution, and in the second cell we have a copper sulfate solution, and we need to find out the copper deposited and also the current. So for solving this question, the first thing you should have realized is that since the two cells are in series, the total current, the current passing through both of these cells is same and for the same time interval. Therefore, by Faraday's laws of electrolysis, the equivalence of gold deposited in the first cell will be equal to equivalence of copper deposited in second cell. Now, equivalence of gold deposited can be written as mass of gold deposited upon the equivalent weight of gold. The equivalent weight of gold can be written as molecular weight upon the valency factor, which is 3 in this case, because gold reduces by taking 3 electrons to AU. Now for the second part, we need to find out the mass of copper deposited, M upon the equivalent weight of copper. The equivalent weight of copper can again be written as molecular weight of copper upon the valency factor. Now since copper absorbs 2 electrons to reduce to Cu, this will be 2. Therefore M can be easily found out to be 4.763 grams. So final answer for the mass of copper deposited comes out to be equal to 4.763 grams. Now let us find out the current which was passed through the two cells in series. Now we know that, again by Faraday's laws of electrolysis, we know that the total weight of a substance deposited is equal to the equivalent weight into current into time upon F. So the weight of copper deposited, we already know that this is equal to 4.763. This is equal to equivalent weight of copper, that is 63.5 upon 2, that is molecular weight upon valency factor, into the current which we need to find out. The time was 5 hours, that is 5 into 60 into 60 seconds upon F. F is 96500. On solving this, we get the value of current to be equal to 0.804 amperes. So final answer for the current which was passed through the two cells comes out to be 0.804 amperes, and the mass of copper deposited in the second cell comes out to be 4.763 grams.